And good afternoon, Muddy Buddy Jeep Club. My name is Tom Watts. I'm with Haydocy Airstream RV here in Columbus, Ohio. I'm doing this video because I was recently invited to your rally at the Woodlands backyard in Grandview, Ohio. I really appreciate the invite. So you might be asking yourself at this point, why is a travel trailer guy going to be at our rally? Well, the reason is simple. Since in the last 6 months, I've probably sold 6 or 7 tab or tags, which I'll talk to you about in a minute, to Jeep owners because Jeeps don't have great towing capacity. Most Jeeps can tow between 2,000 and 3,500 pounds, which eliminates a lot of the travel trailers that we have here. But we've partnered with New Camp, and we've come up with the tag and tab brands, and those are travel trailers that can easily be towed by a Jeep Wrangler. I swear every week, at least once a week, somebody comes in and has a Jeep Wrangler and says, what can I pull with my Wrangler? So at the show in July, I'm going to bring a couple options to you. I'm going to bring a couple tags and maybe a tab or two, show you what we have to offer in the tagline that you can tow with your Wranglers. My impression of Jeep people is they're adventurous people, and I think that this kind of fits right in with your adventure. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to show you a couple of the trailers that I will be bringing. There are 2 of the new boys on the block, and we'll go from there. This is the newest boy in the block as far as tabs go. This is the Tab 320S Boondock Edge. We just got these in about 2 or 3 weeks ago. I'm going to go in here and just show you a couple of different features. A lot of them are very similar to the other tabs, but not quite everything. First off, we start with a little nice screen door here. Everyone likes that. Okay, stepping inside. You have a 2-burner stove right here in front for your propane. 2-burner stove. You have a refrigerator here that runs on battery, propane, or electric. You've got a nice sink here. This is equipped with the Aldi heating system that will provide you with your furnace air. It's a radiant heat. It's also going to heat up your water. One of the things I wanted to show you is this is what they call a lagoon table. This table can be removed from here and placed in a bracket outside, which is really convenient if you're going to be outside, enjoying the weather and everything. This back will sit up straight, or you can have it in the lounge position or all the way back. This is going to make a 73 by 70 bed inside this trailer. Not bad for a smaller trailer. Lots of storage in here, and you have your air conditioning, a nice TV here, and one of the most important things for us older folks, you have a wet bath that includes a shower and a toilet. So if you got to get up in the middle of the night like I do 5 or 6 times, then you're good to go. Some of the new features on the outside, you've got the diamond plate bucket that's going to house your propane, your 20-pound propane tank, and your deep cell battery. You've got this nice aluminum platform for storage, maybe a generator. Maybe you're just going to tie something up here as you're going down the road. They also got the spare tire right up here in front, which makes it convenient and a lot better than when it's underneath it because you don't have as much clearance. So a lot of new features on these tabs. You've got these handles here that help you manipulate the trailer at your camp spot, or maybe when you're parking it at home for those difficult to get in areas. You can just move it with these handles here. New to the tab are these lights here. They got light racks on them now that you can get, and those are pretty cool, and everybody loves those. They've got those also on the back. Coming down the side, just some standard features. You've got your radio antenna. You've got your cable outlet. You've got your fresh water tank and your city water. Then moving down here further, you've got your 30 amp service. This is what you're going to get your electric power at your campsite. And you've got an outside shower. Maybe the dog or maybe grandma gets a little bit muddy during the day. You can hose them off right out here. This is an outlet for your furnace. And here again, we can see on the back, we've got the lighting, and we've got the Yakima rack. We can put bikes up there or even a spare tire if you wanted to put it there. The new Tab 320S Boondock Edge. Before I move on to the tag, I want to bring up another point. On the Tab 320S Boondock Edge, that weight capacity that's 1,800 pounds of trailer there. So it's under the 2,000 pounds or the 3,500 pound towing capacities that you would have. Now onto the tag XL Boondock Edge. Again, you can move this thing around with these handles. This trailer only weighs 1,200 pounds. You can easily tow this anywhere you want to go. They have the higher profile with the larger tires. Again, you got the diamond plate bucket and the aluminum platform. The Tag XL Boondock Edge, it sleeps two, but there's no heat or hot water in this one. You do have cold water, but there's no heat or hot water. You've got a nice sized TV in here and an air conditioner, a stereo, and it's about 58 by 70 in there. Moving to the back, Boondock Edge, the Tag also has a kitchen. It's what they call the clamshell design, and as you can see, the back pops up. You've got an electric cooler here, you've got your microwave here, 2-burner stove here, and your faucet here. Again, plenty of room back here, a nice sized kitchen to do anything you're going to need. You got a little counter space to work on here as well, and let's go camping.